The frigid continent of Antarctica is one of the many mysteries on Earth about which humanity has only just begun to scratch the surface. The chilly and severe conditions of the region have prevented humanity from exploring too deeply, and what we've seen thus far has been both immensely intriguing and horrifying. Antarctica is a country full of possibilities, from amazing creatures to previously unseen events. All you have to do is search beneath all the frozen water. What will happen in Antarctica when the ice melts? What secrets do the sub-zero regions of Antarctica hold? Join us today as we explore the hidden world beneath the frost. Surprisingly, throughout the winter, the surface area of the ice grows substantially, from about 3 million square kilometers to 19 million square kilometers. Antarctica is the world's southernmost continent and a hub for scientific study. Numerous researchers and scientists inhabited the continent. Each year, about 400 scientists spend the winter on this frozen continent. Amazing discoveries are made when these marine biologists, geologists, oceanographers, and geophysicists collaborate. Russian doctor Leonid Rogozov removed his own appendix in Antarctica. He experienced appendicitis, necessitating an operation on himself to remove his appendix. An interesting case of self-surgery. A driver and a meteorologist assisted with the operation by providing instruments and holding a mirror to observe places that were not immediately visible. The doctor felt the inverted view was a barrier and eventually had to work by touch. He finally removed a severely damaged appendix. Antarctica is a breeding ground for mystery and has experienced its fair share of hoaxes over the years. Numerous UFO sightings are reported each year, and Google Earth has captured some unusual activity that is thought to be the work of extraterrestrials. The mystery of this continent remains deep below Antarctica's surface, where no one has ventured before. There are claims that the lost city of Atlantis is hidden beneath the kilometers of ice. When Antarctica was a warm tropical area, the city would have flourished and would have been buried after the Ice Age froze the continent. It's theorized that the Nazis used the Antarctic continent's underground regions as a covert hideout, and some people think that Hitler fled there after the war. What was the remarkable discovery researchers made in the Antarctic Weddell Sea? The scientists found a massive breeding colony of ice fish. In early 2021, researchers discovered the largest known fish breeding colony, which contained 60 million nests, on the Filchner ice shelf in the Antarctic Weddell Sea. The ice fish were positioned more than 400 meters below sea level, and the scientific team employed a towed camera system to capture footage of them. The scientists were able to identify the Neopage Iona species of fish, which was responsible for building the nests from the photos produced by the camera system. Each of these nests normally holds 15 to 2,500 eggs. Is Antarctica actually a desert? Antarctica is an icy land that is suited at the South Pole, the southernmost point on Earth. The fact that Antarctica is actually a desert may come as a shock to many people. In spite of being a polar desert, Antarctica is the largest desert in the world. As the driest, coldest, and windiest place on Earth, Antarctica also has the lowest levels of precipitation because the region's low average temperatures prevent water from evaporating as quickly. Due to the snow reflecting all of the sunshine back into everything on land, the sun in Antarctica may just be as severe, if not harsher, than in sand deserts. Do tropical beaches and a tropical climate once exist in Antarctica? If we had been alive a few 100 million years ago, we might have witnessed the continent's vast and verdant vegetation and 10 degrees Celsius average annual temperature. It's hard to fathom this time, but evidence indicates that it's true. The world's biggest iceberg is being carried away from Antarctica to its doom. A76A, the massive ice slab, is around 135 kilometers long and 26 kilometers wide. A76A was photographed by NASA's Terra satellite as it floated in the mouth of the Drake Passage, a narrow passageway separating the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. The image shows that it had been drifting around Antarctica for more than a year and is scarcely melting, and it may soon be set on a one-way voyage to the bottom of the sea. Do extraordinary and seemingly magical phenomena like second suns and diamond dust exist in Antarctica? There are second suns and diamond dust in Antarctica. Though they all sound like fascinating aspects of fictional works, these phenomena are also often observed in Antarctica. The second sun, sundog, or mock sun are common optical illusions experienced in the Antarctic region. caused by sunlight reflection on ice crystals. The diamond dust is a fine layer of glittering mist formed by ice crystals reflecting in the air near the soil. Magical. The Great White Continent is the most puzzling and mysterious region on the planet. Despite the dedicated efforts of researchers everywhere, we may never know all of its mysteries. What more mysteries might be hidden beneath the ice of Antarctica? Comment below. If you're curious about the mysteries from around the world, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon.